Hello mates, want URL is the easiest way to add the REST API support to your Swift project. Step 1. Add the package from the Git repository. Step 2. Go to the package and copy GitHub API folder to your project. Step 3. Rename API file according to your documentation. And change the base path. Step 4. Add your data transfer objects. You can add your objects inside API extension to use that syntaxes like timetable API.ofodto. Step 5. Go to sample API extension. Rename it according to your model and change the path. Add custom receipts to your API. On the left hand, you have the ingredients, the tuple context here. On the right side, this is the result handler. And this method should return the want. So, to receive this object, we need to create the URL using the context, store it inside the want, and ask the question. Done! We are ready to receive our first object using want. You can repeat this process for any receipt that you need. You can build your own framework for receiving any object with the want, or just use it in your apps. Thanks for watching. If you need to make the app, you can find me on GitHub.